Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to talk with you about the Apple Beta software program for your iPhone. The Apple Beta program for your iPhone or for your iOS is a program that you can join and test pilot their software before the official release comes. And so right now, iOS 13 is in beta, and you can download this and put this on your phone. One disclaimer, though, is you need to realize that there are possible bugs, and I'm going to actually show you one of those bugs with Beta 2. I'm about ready to install Beta 3. It was just released the other day, but I still have Beta 2 here on my iPhone 8 Plus, and this is something that you want to be aware of. That's if you really don't want to deal with small bugs or your screen occasionally freezing here and there, then don't bother to join this program. This isn't for you. Just wait for the release, the official release, to come in the fall from Apple and download iOS 13 then. But if you're looking to test this iOS, if you want to give Apple feedback, because this is a great program to help them make their software better and to become a contributor to their software, then this is for you. And what I want to show you here is I want to show you how to sign up for it. You just go to beta.apple.com, as you can see up there in the browser bar. And when you get here, they will just give you a little bit of an introduction and just click Get Started. I'm already logged in, so I'm not going to click on that. It's very easy to become a part of, and then you'll want to enroll your device. My device is already enrolled. Again, you want to make sure to make a backup of your software, your apps. If you're already connected to iCloud and everything's backed up, that's great. But I'm going to be speaking just for the iPhone, not for the iPad or for Mac OS, for MacBooks. That is not related to this video. So you want to download this profile. So go here to Install Profile. You just want to download that. It'll download onto your phone, and then all you have to do is follow the instructions. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings. And when you come to your settings, you want to go to the place where you normally update your software. So Settings, General, Software Update. And you'll notice my Beta 3 is ready to be installed. But if you're doing this for the first time, then after you go through the process of installing the profile on your phone, when you go to the Software Update, it will say iOS Public Beta, and whatever beta version needs to be installed on your phone for you to be able to use it. So and then all you have to do is hit download, install, and go through the regular process. It's the same process as you would install any other iOS update software. And so that's it. That's how you do it. Let me show you a quick glitch that is really not something that this is one of the risks that you take when you install a beta software. So if you go to Password Accounts, Website, and App Passwords, one of the things here is when you click on that, normally it says Touch ID to view saved passwords if you have your Touch ID set up for that. If you have an iPhone 10, it'll prompt you for the Face ID if you set that up. The glitch here in the Beta 2, at least, I'm not sure if they fixed it in Beta 3, hopefully they did, is if you keep tapping this Website and App Passwords, sometimes it takes several times. There we go. And I'm in. And so I'm not going to show you my passwords, obviously, but you can see here that I was able to get into my password account for all of my website and app passwords. So that is not something that is good with that beta version. So I'm hoping in beta version 3 that they get that fixed. So hopefully this helps you to know how to test pilot beta software, but also to know the risks involved with putting this on your phone. So if it's something you want to be a part of, then be sure to go to beta.apple.com to sign up. If not, then just wait for the official release in the fall from Apple. Appreciate you watching. This is the Handy Hudsonite, where I give you tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get updates from me when videos go up. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.